Eloquent English. Unlock the power of fluent English.
Welcome back to Eloquent English, the podcast that helps you speak English with confidence, one conversation at a time.
Hey friends, it's great to have you here with us. I'm Carl.
And I'm Helen. We're so happy you're here. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt nervous ordering food in English?
Oof, I sure have. I still remember the first time I tried ordering a sandwich in London. I panicked and just pointed at the picture. Not cool.
Oh, Carl, I've been there too. I once said, "No chicken, I'm vegetarian," and they gave me extra chicken. Miscommunication happens, especially in another language.
Totally. That's why today's episode is important. Whether you're traveling, living abroad, or just visiting an English-speaking restaurant, we want you to feel confident and relaxed.
Yes, today we're talking about real English, not textbook phrases, but what native speakers actually say when ordering food.
And not just the easy stuff. We'll help you know what to say when you need to change your order, ask about allergies, or if something's missing from your meal.
So stick with us. We'll guide you step by step, teach you repeatable phrases, and even help you practice with real conversations.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps support the channel.
Are you ready? Let's stop feeling nervous and start sounding confident. Let's begin.
Let's start with the basics. Okay, so picture this. You walk into a restaurant. The waiter smiles and says, "Hi, how are you today?" What do you say?
Many learners freeze at this moment, but it's actually simple. You can say, "Hi, I'm good, thanks. How about you?" Or, "Hello, I'm doing well."
You don't need a long answer, just something friendly. Remember, this first impression sets the tone for your meal.
Exactly. Even just, "Hi, table for two, please," is polite and useful. You're showing confidence and kindness.
Let's teach a few greetings our listeners can repeat. Say these with us.
Hi. Table for one, please.
Hello? Can we sit outside?
Good evening. A table for three.
Nice. These are short, clear, and natural. Now, let's look at how to get the waiter's attention politely.
Please don't shout, "Hey," or wave your hands like crazy. It can seem rude.
Instead, try this. Excuse me. Pause. Or, sorry, can I ask a question?
These are respectful and get the job done. Want to practice?
Let's do a mini conversation. You be the customer. I'll be the waiter. Hi there. How are you today?
Hi. I'm good, thanks. A table for two, please.
Of course. Right this way.
You can pause here and practice this mini conversation again. Say it with confidence.
Starting your restaurant visit with a smile and polite words goes a long way.
Now that you're seated, the waiter hands you a menu. But you're not sure what something means.
Yeah, maybe the menu says grilled sea bass with capers, and you're like, what's a caper? Is that a vegetable? A sauce? A mystery?
A delicious mystery. But seriously, this is a great time to ask questions, and it's totally normal. Native speakers do it all the time.
Here are some simple, polite ways to ask, what's this dish? What's in the chicken curry? Can you tell me more about this?
Or you can say, is it spicy? Or does it come with rice? Very practical, right?
Also, don't be afraid to ask for recommendations. Try, what do you recommend? What's your most popular dish?
Let's say these slowly so our listeners can repeat. Can I ask, what's in this dish? Is this vegetarian? What do most people order?
Now, let's try a short role play. This time, I'll be the customer. Excuse me, what's in the mushroom soup?
It has mushrooms, cream, onions, and a little garlic.
Sounds great. Is it spicy?
No, it's mild. You can pause here and practice that too. Try switching roles with a friend or repeat both parts.
It's okay to ask questions. It shows interest and helps you get the meal you want. All right, Now let's talk about something really important. Special requests.
Yes, maybe you're vegetarian or allergic to peanuts, or you just don't like onions. You must know how to say it clearly.
Let's start simple. Try this. I'm vegetarian. Is this dish okay for me? Or, I'm allergic to nuts. Does this have any?
You can also say, can I have it without cheese? Or, no onions, please.
The key is to be polite and clear. Don't just say, no cheese. That sounds a little rude.
Right. Add a softener like, could I have? Or, is it possible to? Like, could I have the pasta without mushrooms?
Let's give our listeners some phrases to repeat. I don't eat meat. I'm allergic to dairy. Can you make it gluten-free? Is there a vegetarian option?
These phrases are lifesavers, literally. If you have a food allergy, you must speak up.
And restaurants are usually happy to help, as long as you ask kindly.
Let's try a mini conversation. Hi, I'm allergic to shrimp. Does this soup have any?
Let me check. No shrimp. You're safe.
Great. Also, can I have it without cream?
Sure, we can do that.
That's how it's done. Clear, respectful, and confident.
Go ahead, pause and practice that one too. You'll thank yourself later. Okay, so you've placed your order, but then, oops, you realize you made a mistake. Or maybe you changed your mind.
It happens all the time, and you can change your order politely. Just don't panic.
Here's what you can say. Sorry, can I change my order? Actually, I'd like the chicken, not the beef. I changed my mind. Can I have the salad instead?
Notice we start with sorry or actually. It makes the sentence softer, more polite.
Exactly. You can also ask for clarification if you didn't understand something. Like, sorry, what did you say about the pasta? Or, can you repeat that, please?
Let's give some repeat after me phrases. Can I change my order? Actually, I'd like the grilled fish instead. Sorry, I didn't understand. Could you say that again? Now, a short role play. This time, Carl is the waiter. Excuse me, sorry, can I change my order?
Of course. What would you like instead?
I'll have the veggie burger instead of the chicken sandwich.
No problem. I'll update that for you. Simple, right? The key is to stay calm and use those polite phrases.
Yes, and don't be shy. Mistakes are part of learning. What matters is how you handle them.
All right, let's pause here. Practice that conversation if you need. Repeat it out loud. Here comes the tricky part. What if something goes wrong?
Yeah, like when your order is wrong, or your drink never arrives, or your food is cold. How do you say it politely?
First, breathe. Stay calm. Then, try these useful phrases. Excuse me, I think there's a mistake. Sorry, I ordered the veggie burger, not the beef one. My drink hasn't arrived yet.
It's all about tone. Don't accuse, just explain. You can also say, sorry, I think something's missing. Or, could you check on my order, please?
Let's break those down slowly. Repeat with us. Excuse me, I ordered something different. Can you check the order for me? I'm still waiting for my food.
Now, here's a quick role play. This time, I'll be the customer. Excuse me, sorry to bother you. I think there's a mistake. I ordered the salad, not the pasta.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'll fix that right away.
Thanks so much.
Short, polite, and clear. That's how you solve the problem without stress.
And remember, most waiters are happy to help. Just speak kindly.
You can pause now and repeat those phrases again. The more you practice, the easier it gets.
Okay, it's your turn now. Let's play a little quiz and test what you've learned so far.
We'll read a question, give you a few seconds to think, then we'll give the answer and explain why. Question 1. Which one is polite when calling the waiter? A. Hey, you. B. Excuse me.
The answer is B. Excuse me is polite and respectful. Never shout or wave like you're at a concert. Question 2. You don't eat meat. What do you say? A. I hate meat. B. I don't eat meat.
It's B. I don't eat meat is clear and polite. Saying I hate meat might sound rude or emotional. Question 3. What can you say to ask for recommendations? A. What do you recommend? B. I don't know what to do.
It's A. What do you recommend? Sounds friendly and confident. B is a little too dramatic for a restaurant. Question 4. How do you ask to remove something from your food? A. No onions. B. Could I have it without onions?
B is the best choice. Could I have it without onions is soft, respectful, and gets better results. Question 5. Your order hasn't arrived. What do you say? A. Where's my food? B. Sorry, could you check on my order?
Definitely B. Kindness equals better service. Always use sorry or could you to sound polite.
How many did you get right? If you missed any, no worries. Go back, listen again, and repeat those phrases.
Practice makes progress, and these phrases will really help next time you go to a restaurant.
Let's keep going. You're doing great.
Let's take a moment to reflect. Have you ever had an awkward moment at a restaurant in English?
Yeah, we've all had those moments. I once said, "Can I chicken this, please?" when I meant to say, "Can I have the chicken?" The waiter just smiled, but I felt silly.
Oh, Carl. I once tried to order orange juice and said orange shoes. The waiter looked at my feet.
Language learning is full of funny mistakes, and that's okay. It's how we grow.
So, here are 2 questions for you, dear listener. What's one thing that makes you nervous when ordering food in English? And which phrase from today's episode do you think will help you the most?
Take a minute, think about it. You can write your answers in the comments. We read everyone.
And don't be shy. We love hearing your stories. Maybe you'll even help someone else feel less alone.
Exactly. You might inspire someone who's just starting out.
Learning a language isn't about being perfect. It's about being brave.
And you're already doing that by listening and practicing with us.
Let's finish strong with a quick review.
Today, you learned how to greet your waiter, ask questions about the menu, make special requests, change your order, and handle small problems, all in English.
You practiced real conversations, repeated key phrases, and even tested yourself with our little quiz.
So, next time you walk into a restaurant, remember, you can do this.
We believe in you. Just take a deep breath, smile, and speak with confidence.
If today's episode helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps us grow the podcast and reach more learners like you.
And don't forget, there's a free practice PDF linked in the description to help you review today's phrases.
Join us again next time for more practical English that fits your real life.
Until then, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep speaking.
Take care, everyone.
Bye-bye.